going on, everybody? Yeah. Welcome back to the Game Ball 256. And guys, we are back with another video.
Box.
Wow, a Lucario box.
Yeah, a Lucario box.
A Lucario GX box.
Yeah.
So guys, we came back from a Walmart and we went to Sam's and we got this cool.
We got this one from I guess Sam's. Yeah, Sam's. Then we got we got it for $20. And
yeah, guys, we got a 2-for-1, but we're gonna open the other box in that next sometime in the next video, I guess. But guys, this is the box that we are gonna be opening today in today's video, guys. So guys,
let's see what we get out. Cause I want to get green codes.
Yeah, he doesn't want to get green codes. Yeah, Ultra Prism, Burning Shadows, Fates Collide, Crimson Invasion, Lucario GX, Jumbo, and the Lucario GX Small. And guys, let's go ahead and start digging into this thing.
Yeah, first we need to get this thing. Also, we're gonna I guess do a challenge.
Wait. Actually, guys, no, someone needs to do the honors and open the box first and get it all out. Get it all out.
It's very hard to close.
Come on, somebody get it out. Rip it out. Lucario GX box for the win. It's actually our first time that we actually open these boxes. We've never opened these boxes before. My brother also got his sleeves laid. We're gonna get some good ultra rares. Oh yeah, oh yeah. We're gonna get some good stuff today, guys. My brother.
And we should, I guess.
If he gets some green codes, he's gonna cry.
Yeah, like if you saw my Electrum box opening.
Yeah. Oh no, he didn't. He never saw it because you guys never saw it because he said to delete it. Remember?
Guys, where you are? Open it?
No, wait, no, leave it. Leave it. Okay, let's take it out.
How do you take it?
This is the old boxes. Here.
Take it out.
Here. Let's take it out. Let's do the honors and take out this. Oh no, it's getting bent. Oh no. Let's do the honors, guys. And no. Take it out. Oh, that was easy. That was like, well, okay, guys, we'll show this and show the video. Yeah, guys, let's go ahead and
we're gonna get the packs
and start off the entire video, guys. Since the camera's gonna be too small,
guys,
we need to show off this Jumbo Lucario GX.
Guys, we got a white code for the box, but we might get green codes in the packs.
Yeah, so guys, here's the Lucario GX. Because Jumbo code with its cool text. We're not gonna show the white code. We're gonna save those codes.
Yeah,
for a special location.
Later on, we're gonna maybe send out if you
subscribe to our channel, and we'll start. If we get at least over 100 subscribers and people are watching our videos and stuff, we'll start sending
guys.
Those codes.
And if you, I mean,
yeah.
Are we gonna do a challenge in this one or?
Oh, we're gonna start the challenge. Guys, we got packs. We got Fates Collide, Crimson Invasion, Pimu. Or is it just me?
Burning Shadows.
And Ultra Prism. Ultra Prism, I haven't opened that pack. Well, guys, let's get started with this.
Wait, and we're gonna do a challenge. We're gonna flip a coin, and I'm gonna pick Rowlet's head.
And tails. If I get tails, I open a pack. If he gets heads, I open a pack. But he gets to keep all the cards. But it's gonna be a fun challenge today.
So we're just gonna go like that. You can pick whatever pack you want.
No, I can't.
Can't?
To flip it, just leave it. Let's start the video, guys. Let's start the video.
You can pick whatever pack you want.
Okay, let's go. So, guys, here we are with the packs.
Can you push it over to your pillow because you're like over on there.
Got the Ultra Prism.
That's the one that I'm gonna open.
Got the Fates Collide. Got the Crimson Invasion. And I got this Burning Shadows. So, guys, let's sort it up. The Fates Collide. It's gonna be in the middle. Ultra Prism right here. So Crimson Invasion in the back and Burning Shadows right there. Let's start off this amazing video. Actually, guys, wait a minute. Wait a minute. I don't know what the fuck we're doing, guys, but
oh, great video.
Yeah, that's crazy.
Guys, we're gonna flip a coin. 3. Heads, guys. Heads.
Nobody got to see it though.
It still counts. That's what Dark Gold does.
Okay, whatever. It didn't count, guys, but it was a
heads.
Rowlet heads. My brother gets to pick the first pack.
I have to pick the first one.
No, they're in order.
No.
Okay, open the pack. See what you get.
I don't want to do order packs.
See what you get.
That's what I always do.
In the video.
Go like this. So, go ahead. And we got a green code. Like always. Freaking awesome green codes.
What?
Well, let's do Leaf Energy. My favorite YouTuber. Pern Plup. Pokemon Fan Club.
Just go a little bit fast because, you know, we're gonna do.
Kitus Whatever. Electabuzz. Chinchar.
Just go. Patricia.
Alolan Zantron and Alolan Vulpix.
Reverse.
Heat Rotom. Oh, I Crotom Dex.
I can't even see. Oh my, it's.
Oh yeah, sorry guys. We might go to our recap later.
Heat Rotom and Whippodon, regular rare.
We got 2 Alolans.
I mean,
Alolan
that was in our
Alolan
first
Zantron.
pack. Where is the coin?
Coin. Rowlet.
Oh, there he is. Rowlet. Woo! 3, 2, 1.
Heads for me.
Oh, darn it. I said other heads. No, my burning shadows. I love that. It's one of my favorite packs. I opened a Elite Trader box. Here's the Elite Trader box, guys. You can't even see it. Here's the Elite Trader box. It's all the way up here at the top.
And a green code again. Guys, I'm gonna get mad.
But at least, guys, we have some more openings later on.
Okay. Sidekick Energy. Heat. More. Lana. Tormentor Spray.
Alolan Grimer.
Noibat. Horsey. Alolan Vulpix again. Sneasel.
Sophocles.
And a Persian.
Regular rare. No.
Guys, I feel like we're gonna die on this one. I feel like all of these are green codes.
Well, yeah, honestly, I open packs. When I open packs, I get all white codes. When he opens his packs, he gets all green codes.
But we're going.
Here, if it's Collide, I hate you. That wasn't a fair one because it literally hit the box.
Okay.
That wasn't a fair one. 3, 2, 1.
Oh!
For me, Tails. This might be mine or it might be his. I don't know, but guys, let's open it. I have bad luck with Fates Collide, but no.
You might not this time. I have to get something. Green code. You can't even see.
White code! Oh, well, I almost showed the code on the screen. See, it's my magic. Guys, I have a magic touch in my hand. I have a magic touch in my hand.
Any texture?
No. Pretty sure it's a hollow. Messed up the card trick. There's a 4-card trick. It was supposed to be. It was supposed to be though.
What about if
it was supposed to be bent spoon, loud red, wristing, cottony, seal, Whismur, Fennekin. Move. This is a shadow.
Scyther.
What? Scyther. Solosis, reverse, Pupitar, and a Delphox. Oh, I need this. Fennekin breaks in Delphox. This is the one that in Pokemon Y. This is my X evolution.
Flip over.
Guys, where's the little sleeve?
Heads.
Want a sleeve? Wait, do you want a sleeve? Move all these cards.
Guys, I got heads.
I see, got a heads, but I don't know if it's the magic touch or just me. Like, where's the sleeve? Okay, guys, we're just gonna wait. It doesn't need a sleeve because it's just a holographic. Here's a star of the show for just right now. Come on, quickly!
Come on!
Quickly!
Go. There's a white code, guys.
It's a white code. So it's either my magic touch or just me or whatever.
I'm guessing another holographic.
Come on, go.
Oh no, I saw something.
Go.
Psychic Energy, Hakamoa, Dashing Pouch,
I'm gonna get a sleeve out.
Haunter, Skydo, Weedle, hold on, Geodude, Iron, Ghastly, Swablu, and Alolan Raichu.
He already has an Alolan Raichu, but this is
holographic.
Oh, the Alolan Raichu holographic.
We're only getting holographics, guys, and
guys, no, sorry, Braxton, but you're removed with the holographic.
And we're done for the day.
Guys, wait. Open all the packs, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video, and guys, I hope you guys have an awesome day, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Okay, guys, bye. Guys, I'm actually just kidding. I'm just kidding, guys. I am just kidding. We have another surprise for you. We have another surprise for you guys over here. You can't see it, but you can read the bottom. A Snorlax GX box. Snorlax Hollow. All the packs they contain in here with Fates Collide, Evolutions.
Where he pulled out the Charizard.
Mega Charizard. Let's see what we get in this video, guys. So we get in this video, in this pack opening now. He'll do the honors of ripping the box open real quick because we're gonna run out of time. Let me help him. We'll do anything all over him. SnorlaxGX.com. I just said SnorlaxGX.com.
Ooh, Venus doing Charizard X.
No. Okay, go. Open the pack. Open the box. Don't knock down the phone either. Come on, open it. What are you doing? Take it out. You guys, let me get out the packs for this guy. This dude over here. Got the white code. We got another white code from the box. Make sure to subscribe so you get some free codes.
We got a holographic Snorlax out of this one.
And
Promo.
we also got 4 packs. We'll show this in a second. And we got this jumbo. We got this jumbo Snorlax GX. Nice. Going with over up there. With its brother. My brother boy. We also got this
Snorlax holographic. And Snorlax GX
mini
version of it.
Snorlax GX.
So I'm just gonna go ahead and put them up there.
So, the Lucario GX Jumbo was bent, but there are all the cards. And there is this Snorlax Hollow that I might want. Really awesome card. Ah! Wow, you're making yourself lose.
Okay, I flipped the coin.
But guys, you know what? So guys, there are the packs. We're going to a new one. So guys, here we have this Evolutions Charizard pack, Fates Collide, Evolutions Venusaur, where I got my Hollow Charizard a long time ago, and we got another Fates Collide. Let's sort out the packs. Let's Evolutions at the end.
That Charizard.
No. Venusaur at the end.
Yeah, because I'm gonna open Charizard.
Start off with the Lugia.
I'm gonna open Charizard.
No, maybe.
Okay, nobody saw that.
But it is a what? Tails.
That was a weak throw.
Last time it was also bad. Okay, whatever. Go. Tails. Oh,
don't open Charizard.
Get the Lugia break one. I might open it. Maybe I might get it.
I really want that Charizard.
Well, I might open it. I might get it. The pack. Well, that was an awkward. That was a weak one.
An ID. And a green code.
What? Oh! My God!
Just give the texture. There's something in there.
Wait a minute. Oh, flip. I forgot. It's an EX.
How do you know?
It's an EX.
I see something.
Helix Fossil on it?
It's definitely something.
Chanel move. Oh, it's Fighting Energy Special. Snivy. Meowth.
Oh, I see something.
Gothita. Jigglypuff. Jigglypuff. Guys, rewind. 2 Jigglypuffs and
Umbreon EX, guys.
I was gonna say GX, but there we go, guys. There is a nice Umbreon EX. Going straight in a slave and going at the start of the show.
My brother has to see that, or else he's gonna think that I'm lying.
That is a head. Yeah, but guys, it's a head. Landed on the head. Guys, he gets to open the Zygarde pack next. Come on, go.
You
hate. You want to get green codes?
Charizard.
You're not opening the settings. Wait.
Okay, but you're not gonna open Charizard. Please don't open it.
I'm just gonna open Venusaur.
Yeah, Venusaur. Okay.
We have your. Oh my! He already showed the code. Guys. That code is done. Maybe not. You know what? This code is. Delphox holographic. He must have decoded to 3 cartridge. There, maybe.
How launch.
So guys, there is everything.
Energy pouch. Warm Dam. Rilo, Jigglypuff, Flarekin,
again,
Snivy, Whimsir.
And
I had this one, but in the normal version.
oh guys, we got a Delphox holographic.
Oh no, not really.
Again, we have two. We have a double. Oh, here. No, leave it like that. No, but leave it. I'm gonna hit heads or tails. Okay. No, leave out all that there.
Aww.
What is that? It's 8 tails.
But
guys,
open it.
let's do. There's a hollow Charizard. I'm flipping out and I'm gonna die. Evolutions.
Guys, I know a bunch of people hate evolutions, but we don't.
No, we don't. Not us. Not us.
Sandshrew.
I saw something.
And a Greek. Guys. Okay.
Where are you, Charizard holographic? Oh. Where's the Charizard holo, guys? Where's the Charizard holo?
I thought it was 3 to the front. I saw it reverse.
We are messing up everything, guys. So we got a Professor Oak's hint, Charmeleon, Kakuna, Sandshrew, Poliwag, Diglett, Seal, Nidoran, Reverse Electro, which is actually supposed to be rare, and the Dugong.
Guys. Brandon, if you get a Tails, can I still open that?
Okay, then I'm not going to flip here. Let me just open it for you, okay? The moment of truth. Mega Charizard, plus help us.
Me, help me.
No, you. Do you think this is gonna help you?
Well, not me, but all of us.
Don't. Oh my cold! Oh my god! Why does you always have to stand in front of the camera?
2, 3.
This one can't see.
Wait.
3. Makuna's Dodo secret rare already to start off this pack. Wait, no. Wait. Wait, what this? Makuna's Dodo. Oh, I am totally getting this.
Okay.
I need this so much. I'm getting that.
A Metapod.
Spirit Link, Sandshrew,
Poliwag,
Diglett, Seal, Nidoran, Reverse Staryu, and a Nidoking. Hollow.
I'm gonna die.
Why?
Where's my Charizard EX waiting?
Your Charizard EX, not Mega.
Oh, I'm in Mega Fuller.
Yeah, a Mega Fuller, so that's not an EX.
You never seen my left today, but I mean you're so nice and bad.
Guys,
I hate you.
Guys, not to be offensive to Umbreon or anything, but this Nidoking Hollow has to be at the start of the show now because it's a Hollow from Evolutions.
Not that.
Yeah, it's a Hollow from Evolutions.
I'm making
searching
something.
for that.
I'm making something. That Dodo.
Nidoking is not the star of the show. Remember this Makuna's Dodo secret, which I will get. I need to get this. Well,
guys, no Charizard EX for me, and that's Charizard.
And guys, we're done. We've opened the both of the boxes, guys. So guys, thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye. Wait, bye, guys. Bye. Are you guys still here? Okay, guys. Yeah, it wasn't actually the end. We were just lying again.
Yeah, like the other time.
We're just liars here.
And we came back with the new booster packs.
We're just liars. That's what we are.
Cosmic Eclipse. That we found in Walmart. We didn't find it in Facebook. We found
Cosmic Eclipse booster packs today. And guys, time to flip the coin. Heads equals a Charizard. Heads equals a Nala and Solgaleo.
Yeah,
tag team, and the other tails equals the Arceus. And the other guys, I don't know, Arceus, Dialga, and something else. I have no idea. I forgot the name. This coin's falling on my hand. So guys, 3, 2, 1. That is a head.
Solgaleo, and then
I got Solgaleo. I got Solgaleo, guys.
But we got at least 2 more coins.
Only an Umbreon GX. That is not so good.
EX.
Just an Umbreon EX. That's all you got from the boxes. At least not all green codes.
Heck yeah!
At least it wasn't all green codes.
I mean, that's a good thing. Like my box.
I hate you. That's the worst enemy. He might have bought another one, but he didn't want to because it was low. It's gonna have awkward messed up.
Kill me!
Yeah, there we go.
The first time it fell down.
See, it killed him. And now it's the first time that it falls to the floor, guys. First time it falls to the floor.
For today.
Okay, guys, the phone fell down. Guess what happened, guys?
It cracked.
The phone cracked. I don't know if you can see it, guys. I don't think you can see the crack, but it cracked.
Other time, it fell down and it never cracked. Crack.
What a bad day. I don't think we should have done this. Can we just rewind? Can we rewind the entire video back to the start? Can we just rewind, please? Can we just rewind?
Rewind myself.
I can't believe this phone
went from Walmart or Sam's or blah blah blah.
No, it was already been done, guys. The phone cracked.
Phone cracked.
No, let it fall to the floor again. I'm gonna
Hey, Brian, you cracked it. All your fault. What code is it? Green? White? First time, Brian, cracking the phone. Not even my first time cracking the phone. You cracked my tablet. Innocent people. And for sure, I broke it. All your fault, Brian.
What is the Corio coin?
And he's angry right now because that phone. First time cracking. First time cracking the phone.
Ooh, guys, my Cosmic Eclipse pack.
And I know why it cracked this time.
Why?
Because it fell on its screen.
I didn't fall on the screen. It fell on the back.
How did it break?
I
Are you sure you didn't step it with your knee?
No, I didn't even feel it with my knee.
Yeah, see what code you got? What green code? I wonder why it appears a white code in the front and then a green code inside.
Guys, I'm done. I can't take this anymore. Through all the cards. Policy and regular rare.
Imagine, guys. Brian, I feel like you're cracked. You're gonna go tell Dad?
No.
I am. Just wanted you guys. Coming back with
Oh my god.
the cards again. Guys.
Oh my god.
Sorry for this interruption, actually. But don't touch the phone. It's a new challenge. Do not touch the phone.
Oh,
A booster pack
that's great.
in a white coat, but we always pull out a green coat. Should have bought more Cosmic Eclipse, I guess.
Where is it?
I don't know, I didn't even touch it. And it's a white coat. Come on, I need to pull like a tree or something.
Don't knock on the phone.
I see something.
No, let's go.
Electro, Hinder, I see a full art. Tangrowth,
Go.
Brimpool, Gallet, whatever, Dumpart, Helipart, Cravelar, Tepiga, Along Sandshrew, and built something for it.
Villaplume GX4 full art from Cosmic Eclipse. Guys, thank you for watching this gone wrong video, and I'm out. Bye.